Our PEPE trade is absolutely exploding right here on PIONEX, up 141%. And in this video, we're going to be having a look at a chart that could potentially send PEPE to the absolute stratosphere. So if you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. Having a look right here at PEPE, this is going to be a main video on PEPE right now, currently up 3.2% in the last 24 hours. If we have a look right here at its market cap, currently sitting at $5.8 billion, I believe that PEPE could smash past $10 billion in the coming days, if not the coming weeks, in my honest opinion. The 24-hour traded volume on PEPE is currently sitting at $3 billion. We just smashed at $3 billion right here, which is absolutely insane in my opinion. There's a lot of volume flowing into PEPE at the current moment, and we're going to be having a look at this. If you guys are not in my Discord, people are absolutely printing right now on PEPE, currently up 98%. People are absolutely making money on my free VIP chat. Yes, this is absolutely for free, so make sure you guys join the Discord. Link will be in the description below if you guys are interested. And let's dive into the charts. PEPE right now is currently at a very important resistance. Now, the negative thing about this is that we do have indeed a low volume. Okay, if we can increase the volume in the next 2 hours and 41 minutes, I think that's going to be very bullish for PEPE. It looks like the stochastic RSI are not slowing down any moment. It looks like we will continue to essentially go up. Hopefully we could break past this resistance and pretty much close above this wicks right here or the previous bodies. So that's what's happening. We did have another W pattern right here on PEPE earlier. You guys can see this was the previous W pattern. Boom, exploded. And now the same thing is happening. And can this be the explosion? If we have a look right here on the monthly time frame on PEPE, PEPE has been consolidating after this massive pump. And on the stochastic RSI, you guys can see that on the monthly we are flipping super bullish with a massive bullish divergence. We are seeing a lower low on the stochastic RSI and lower highs or higher lows on the regular chart. And in my opinion, this consolidation can absolutely send PEPE to the absolute moon in the coming weeks. Yes, in the coming weeks. But of course, we can't have a look at PEPE without Ethereum, because Ethereum right now is absolutely exploding on the monthly time frame, and we are at a historic guys resistance right now for Ethereum. It looks like the stochastic RSI is not slowing down anytime soon on the monthly time frame. And another thing that I do want to talk about right here is this resistance since 2021. Can Ethereum finally break out from this resistance and finally make all-time high? Can we see $8,000 in the near future? If this does happen, and if that does happen, we could potentially see Ethereum fly to the moon. Now, what would be the price target? If I take the top of this triangle to the bottom right here, it would be a little bit bigger than that, obviously, but it does give us a target of $11,000. And in my opinion, that's only 2x from 2021. I believe that this is very possible in my opinion. It's only a matter of time before we see freaking Ethereum flying. And guess what happens when Ethereum will essentially fly? We will most likely see PEPE fly to the moon, because Ethereum and PEPE go hand in hand. And when Ethereum pumps, PEPE usually pumps. That's how it works. That's how it always will work. PEPE is a coin on the Ethereum ecosystem, and pretty much that's about it. Having a look right here at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also king. We need to talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin is very important. We could see that Bitcoin right now is also in a massive horizontal triangle after this big pump reaching $122,000. Bitcoin is just consolidating, waiting for the next big move. Obviously, we are on a weekend right now, so things will be a little bit slower, but guess what? The CME charts are coming out very soon, or not the charts, but the market will be opening on the CME very soon. And of course, as long as we stay above this point of control right here, we are looking pretty bullish. We do have a nice little oversold region right here on the stochastic RSI, so in my opinion, we're most likely going to see this reverse. But as of right now, Bitcoin is looking slightly weak. I am not gonna lie. Hopefully we could come up and retest $119,000, and if not retest, maybe even break above it, in my opinion. So that's what's happening right now. We're gonna have to be careful. Will Bitcoin, will Ethereum finally break this on the monthly time frame? Are we gonna get rejected one more time? What is going to happen? Will PEPE break this resistance right here on the monthly time frame as well? And of course, one of the most important thing that I forgot to mention, guys, is the Bitcoin dominance. Are we finally going to break below these exponential moving average right here on the Bitcoin dominance, because we know that's super important. And in order for us to have that massive altcoin season, we need to see the Bitcoin dominance crash. We need to see money flowing into altcoins, and we could see that the Bitcoin dominance has been consolidating right here above these exponential moving average pretty much since 2022. So obviously this has been a Bitcoin bull run. We have not seen a Bitcoin or an altcoin season just yet. Yes, we saw an altcoin rally right here, and we're seeing currently right now an altcoin rally at the moment. We saw a small one right here, but we have not seen an ultimate altcoin season. An altcoin season is when the Bitcoin dominance crashed, like we saw back here in 2021 all the way to 2022. And in my opinion, if we do see this massive Bitcoin dominance crash down, we're officially going to be in an altcoin season. But as of right now, this is an altcoin rally. That is my video. If you guys do like this video, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. And if you guys do want to join the free VIP signal chat, make sure you guys join the Discord. The link will be in the description below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.